Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be trying out these lip kits. These lip kits. I seen them on TikTok and thought they were super cute. I also seen there was a strawberry shortcake one, which I did try, but it wasn't for me. So I got these two, and I really love Betty Boop. And I don't really care for Twinkies. I only had one in my lifetime, and I'm 25, so I only had one, but I want a good red, so I'm ready to try this. I need a good red lip. It's classic, nobody does it anymore, so I need to bring it back, and this is cute, so why not? This is another one. This one's more neutral, natural. Yeah, let's jump on into it. So starting off with the Twinkies one. These are a trio, I believe, for both. So it comes with the liner, lipstick, and lip gloss, which cute. I will probably take a screenshot and post the pricing here because I can't remember. I know it's like 12 to 25 bucks. Not too sure, but for all three, that's not bad at all. Most brands be charging that for one item, but for the gloss, lip liner, and lipstick, can't go wrong. But anyways, the packaging, we're gonna start with this one. The packaging is cute. Hostess Twinkies lip kit, and it says Twinkies scent. Again, I'm not a big Twinkies person. I only had one in my lifetime, and that was the 5th grade. Yeah, 5th grade. Again, I'm 25. It's been a while. Now, packaging, 10 out of 10. Can't go wrong with this packaging. It's so cute. So cute. Here's the back. Go ahead and pause and read it if you would like. I will read a little bit, just the bolded part. It says, elevate your lip game with Hostess Twinkies Cake Lip Kit, a delectable trio that'll leave you craving more. Unleash the sweet allure of Hostess Twinkies Cake with this lip kit, which features a lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss, all infused with the irresistible vanilla scent of iconic treat. So if you're not a vanilla person, maybe not try this, or try it and see if you like it, but I am a vanilla person. I love vanilla. Vanilla perfume, vanilla ice cream. I'm here for it. Indulge yourself in the charm of a neutral lip color combo that's both timeless and effortless wearable. Infuse sweetness into your style, turning every day into a treat. And then it just goes into the ingredients for the lip liner, as well as the lip gloss and lipstick by GlamLite. That's the makeup brand, GlamLite. Anyways, good job, GlamLite. Of course, I'm gonna buy more because these are cute and it's affordable. So let's get into it. I did already try this kit. It's a neutral. Loved it so much I got a second one, and I wanted to show you guys. So I ripped the top part off. It's a little bag. Slide this out, and there's your lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. So I got one that I could travel with, and I got one that'll just stay here, and it's so cute. Again, packaging, so cute. Like, it looks like literal food, but it's not. This is the Twinkies. It's so cute. Even the packaging on these, like the detailing, it's incredible. It's really good. So, love the ombre between the white, the blue, and the red cap. And then the wording here is how it is. Personally, I like twistable lip liners or the wood ones because I feel like those sharpen best. But these are fine, you know, not my favorite, but not bad. I could live with it. Look how cute this is. Again, it's so detailed. I love it. And I love this color. Such a beautiful color. It's gorgeous. Here, to the gloss. It's just a clear gloss. It does smell very sweet. So it is scented. It says it on the packaging. I'm telling you, it's scented. But let's get into it. Just lining it up. I like the formula. It's creamy, but it's not too creamy to the point it's gonna like fall apart. It still has that firmness, which I like. And the pigment is perfect. If you know me, you know I don't like a divine cupid bowl. I like it just straight across. Just straight across. This color is stunning. Definitely a cooler tone brown, and it's cute. It's so cute. Lipstick time. Again, this is not too creamy. It's not creamy at all, really. In my opinion, I think it could be a little bit creamier, but it's such a beautiful color. Now we'll take the gloss. This gloss is really what locks it in. It just gives. Honestly, this is probably my favorite lip combo. It's gorgeous. It's like 2000s and 90s and very natural. It's giving brat doll a little bit. It's giving that girl. It's cute. And I feel like the liner just blends with it so well. It's like subtle, it's not overpowering. And it blends in beautifully. Especially after the gloss, my goodness. And it's on my lips right now and I don't smell anything. Unless it probably get close, but I don't really smell it. It doesn't bother me personally. Again, I like vanilla. Does it smell extremely sweet? Yes, and that's not my favorite part. However, if you're not focusing on the scent, you're not gonna really notice that it's there. But yes, so cute. For me, I buy so many lip liners, so many lipsticks, so many lip glosses, buying all these perfect combinations, but I lose them. And they blend in with the other lip liners, and the other lipsticks, and the other lip gloss. And because of this packaging, it stands out. It clearly stands out. It's not like your basic packaging. It's easy to find. I could just go on my door and be like, oh, yep, this one. Now into Miss Betty Boop. I haven't tried this one at all, so I'm excited. I also haven't wore a red lip in like forever. Again, packaging, it's so cute. Will I keep this? Probably. So this one looks like it just comes with the lip liner and lipstick. So I believe this one was the cheaper one. But look how cute! Isn't it cute? This is the back. Come on, Betty girl, focus. So cute. You can read it, pause and read it. I'll read a little bit. Achieve Betty's signature perfect red pout with our Bring On the Boop Lip Kit, featuring a soft red matte lipstick and a smooth deep red lip liner. This kit provides everything you need for a precise and bold lip color. The collector's lip kit box adds a touch of classic charm to your makeup collection. GlamLite is cute. The detailing is insane. I don't think I've seen packaging with this much detail. And again, because the packaging stands out, you're not gonna lose it. You're gonna find it. Oh, Betty Boop. Alright, I need to quit playing. I need to get this on my lips. Get on my lips. And I feel like it's probably gonna be the same formula, if not similar, because I could already tell it's the same type of pencils. It's so cute. Okay. Ah. This is quite the red. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always,